Understanding the phrase, pass the smell test. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting expression, pass the smell test. You might be wondering, does this have something to do with smelling things? Not exactly. This phrase is a fantastic example of how English uses sensory language to describe abstract concepts. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. When we say something passes the smell test, we're not talking about food or fragrance. Instead, this phrase is a metaphorical expression used to say that something seems legitimate, credible, or acceptable upon initial examination. It's often used in contexts where there's some skepticism or doubt, and something is being evaluated for its integrity or validity. For example, if a business proposal seems ethical and has no apparent flaws, you might say, "This proposal passes the smell test." However, if something about the proposal seems off or dishonest, it would not pass the smell test. The phrase, pass the smell test, is believed to have originated from journalism and legal contexts where the smell test was a metaphorical gauge for the integrity or authenticity of a story or argument. It plays on the idea that our sense of smell can alert us to danger, such as spoiled food or a gas leak, suggesting that our intuition can similarly alert us to dishonesty or falsehood. Using pass the smell test correctly can add a layer of nuance to your English. It's perfect for debates, discussions about ethics, and evaluating propositions. Here are a few examples. I'm not sure if his excuse for being late really passes the smell test. It seems a bit far-fetched. Before investing in a company, I like to ensure their business practices pass the smell test. The research paper's arguments do not pass the smell test for me. They seem biased. Let's practice using pass the smell test in a sentence. Imagine you're evaluating a news article that seems a bit suspicious. You could say, "This article doesn't pass the smell test. The sources are unreliable, and some claims are exaggerated." Try coming up with your own sentences using this expression in various scenarios. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, pass the smell test. It's a colorful way to express skepticism or approval based on initial impressions. We hope you found this video helpful and that you're now more comfortable using this expression in your English conversations. Don't forget, learning English is all about practice and exposure to different ways of expressing ideas. Keep listening, keep speaking, and most importantly, keep enjoying the journey. See you in our next video.